Years ago in Oklahoma, I was struggling through the summers as they're getting hotter and hotter, and my air conditioner is no longer keeping up. During the day, it was sitting there in the sun just absorbing solar energy while it's trying to get rid of heat from my house. So I built a localized shade that did not block the exhaust of the discharge. It worked so well that I quickly realized that there are a lot of other homeowners that could use it.
It's unbelievably easy to install. No tools, no stress. You can set it up in under 30 seconds.
It is made from UV stabilized PVC that is made to last for many, many years outdoors. This is set up specifically so that any wind that comes in will just release and move on. There really isn't anything else on the market that does this effectively. The signups and deposits so far have been amazing. We believe that AC Shade can save you up to 10% of your cooling bill. From Jeff and Marie Hill, thank you for supporting AC Shades.